Welcome to my review of the EasyDNA at-home DNA test kit. Find links below. EasyDNA offers a wide range of tests, from ancestry and health to paternity and even animal DNA. Whether you're tracing your heritage, confirming relationships, or exploring your health and wellness, EasyDNA offers an accessible and reliable solution. This review covers its key features, who it's for, and what to expect. EasyDNA is designed for ease of use. Your kit arrives with simple instructions and painless cheek swabs. Collection is quick and easy. Just mail your sample back, and results typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days, depending on the test. EasyDNA offers a variety of tests. Their ancestry kit reveals your ethnic background and geographical origins. Paternity and relationship tests provide accurate answers about biological ties, with legal and non-legal options. For health, EasyDNA analyzes genetic predispositions, dietary needs, and fitness potential. They even offer pet DNA tests. Accuracy and confidentiality are paramount. EasyDNA uses accredited labs for reliable results. Your privacy is protected, with data handled securely and shared only with you. EasyDNA is perfect for families seeking answers, individuals curious about their genetics, or anyone wanting convenient at-home testing. Their clear reports make complex data understandable, with actionable advice in many health-focused tests. EasyDNA is a versatile and reliable choice for at-home DNA testing. Its range of kits, fast turnaround times, and commitment to accuracy and privacy make it a top option. Ready to explore your DNA? Check the links below to learn more and order your kit today.